Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. Today, I've got a scene to film on my experimental horror film, SIJ, It's All About Choice, and some prop stuff to work on and file away for the meantime. So it's time to get started on that. Okay, so I've made myself some fake blood for my scene. Alright, so I'm using glucose syrup and of course the red food coloring. The scene that I'm going to be doing and filming here will require blood that flows. Okay, so if you're going to do a scene where the blood really needs to flow, it needs to be more liquidy, so add more water. Okay, this stuff, the glucose, is really thick. Okay, so what I'm using here, I added a lot of water to it. As you can see, it's really liquidy, and that's what I need. Okay. You need something more thick, add less water. Alright, using vintage Fujichrome RT200. Okay, I had two yellow bells that I was going to use, but they did actually go ahead and just fall off of the tree. However, I did find this one. So this one's new, fresh, and firm, so it'd be great for filming. Okay, I've got a family member that has a talent. They're getting set up in a dress, getting ready to film this scene, and that always takes some type of a bit of a lengthy time. And so we're just going to film this, get it set, and get ready to go. Beautiful. Right. Thank you. And so it was a good day of filming for my experimental horror film SIJ, It's All About Choice. Using my Fujica ZC 1000. And the family member that I used, they got covered in blood. Should have seen the expression on the face. It was priceless. It really was. The scene worked out really beautifully. Alright, so I'm going to keep moving on with this. Been going on this for a year. Moving slow but steady on it, and I'm very pleased. Do contact me at the social media outlets provided on the screen, and remember, as always, do subscribe. Until next time, see ya.